Gold against US dollar this week started to rise in value. We can see a strong bullish candle indicating further rise in value, and the price has reached the first resistance at 3135.61. From here, in the next 2 days, the price tried to move up, but only on a Thursday the price formed a bullish breakout. We can see that here, trying to move to the next one. A resistance level, a supply zone around 3175.73, but it was unsuccessful. The price dropped down, forming a strong bearish candle and pretty large wick on the lower side. Then we can see on the Friday, the price continued to lose its value and it has formed a bearish breakout below 3054.37. Now let's see the weekly. The weekly has created, we can see, a bearish candle. It was a bullish breakout in the previous week, and this week the price has invalidated this bullish breakout, which means indicating further decline in value. The monthly time frame shows me that we have a bullish candle, and this one has just started as a bearish. Still, the monthly has just started, so we will not make any conclusions right now, but for now the weekly and the daily shows much more clear information. For now, we can see the weekly shows me that there is a potential that the price returns back down around 3020. On the daily, we can see it has chances and also a space to return back down to 3001.81 as support level, and it is also around 3006. We can see the support level, and also 3011. So this is the target, at least what I can see for the next week, because of this bearish breakout has been formed on the daily time frame. Now we can see, in order for the daily time frame to continue to lose its value, the price should return back below 3026.21, and if it is returns on the 4-hour time frame, this will indicate further decline in value, where 3011 and also 3006 and 3001 are the next support levels for the price to reach in the next week. Now we can see that those levels on the 1-hour time frame are 3016 and 3009 are the ones that needs to be reached in order for the price to reach again 3001.81. So for now the gold has I'm predicting that the price will continue to lose its value next week, going all the way very close to the first support level, that is 3001 on the daily time frame. Now during the week I also shared the daily analysis, but also a bearish breakouts on the lower time frame, like 1-hour time frame and a 4-hour time frame for the traders inside the premium analysis. For example, I also have shared this bullish pin bar that has been formed inside the premium analysis, which had the target was the next resistance level, and the price has reached that area. So this was also a successful one, where the price has been reached, and also it was a profitable trade. If you would like to receive these, check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.